Welcome to use the backup and restore function of Huawei NCE. Next, let's take a look at how to backup and restore data. After a backup server is configured, you can backup the product data, applications, and operating systems. The backup files are transferred to the backup server over a transfer protocol, for example, SFTP. You can backup any type of data independently. If the data of the management plane or the service plane is missing or damaged, you can restore the corresponding data. Before restoring a type of data, ensure that its lower layer type of data is normal. For example, before restoring applications, ensure that the OS is normal. On the management plane, you can choose Backup and Restore from the Level 1 menu and backup or restore the desired type of data. Now we use the backup and restore of databases as an example. First, configure a backup server. Click here to go to the Configure Backup Parameters page. Click here to configure the backup server and enter the corresponding information. After you saved the information, you can change the number of stored backup files of product data and the management plane as required on this page. After you configured the backup server, click here to go to the Backup Database Application page. Select the product to be backed up and click here to start the backup process. Click Task List to view the real-time progress of the task. Click here to go to the Backup Product Data page. Select the product to be backed up and click here to start the backup process. Next, let's take a look at how to restore database applications. Click here to go to the Restore Database Application page. Click here to select a backup server. Select the product to be restored first and then select the backup file of your desired time point. Click here to start the restoration process. Click here to go to the Restore Product Data page. Click here to select a backup server. Select the product to be restored first, and then select the backup file of your desired time point. Click here to start the restoration process. This is all for this video. Thanks for watching.